Today I'm going to show you how to create a purchase order using Zoho CRM in N8n, step by step. This is a simple automation setup that can save you time whenever you need to generate purchase orders inside your workflow. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical N8n tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8n. You can use an existing workflow or start with a new one, but the important part is that you're inside the workflow editor before adding anything else. Next, go to the Nodes panel. This is where you'll find all of the available apps and actions you can add to your automation. In the search bar, type Zoho CRM, then select the Zoho CRM node from the list. Once the Zoho CRM node is added to your workflow, look through the available actions and choose Create a Purchase Order. This is the action that tells N8n you want to create a new purchase order record inside Zoho CRM. After that, you'll need to configure what to create. This means filling in the required fields for the purchase order, such as the data you want to send from your workflow into Zoho CRM. Depending on your setup, this may include details like the purchase order name, vendor or account information, dates, items, amounts, or any other fields that Zoho CRM asks for. Take a moment to map each field carefully so the purchase order is created exactly the way you want it. If your workflow already has data from a previous node, you can use those values here to populate the purchase order automatically. Once everything is configured, your Zoho CRM node is ready to create a purchase order as part of your N8n automation. From there, you can continue building out the rest of your workflow around it if needed. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick N8n guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.